What happens to a computer if you take out the RAM while the computer is running? Oh. There he goes. It turns off. Now try putting the RAM stick back in, and it's not turning back on. Let's power cycle it. Unplug it, plug it back in, turn it on. Still nothing. Alright, we'll try unplugging it again. Now hold the power button this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plug it back in. Turn it back on. We see the amber light. Will we see a display? There you go. Everything's working just like it was before. Just make sure you power cycle that afterwards. But don't try this at home.